hayi mntanami abantu bajabulile siterek ngalo one man elisilethele yena siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga impela hayi siyabonga kakhulu.
Viewer, you heard it there. That was Mr. Raphael Donga from Makuza Secondary School. He is the headmaster there. He is here witnessing and testifying about this 100% back promotion of One Money. Everybody is happy. The headmaster is happy. The parents are happy. The students are happy. Okay, right now we're going to have one of the parents who has used One Money to pay his school fees. That is Mr. Madlela. Please let's welcome Mr. Madlela. How are you, sir?
That's all right, Mtanam.
Yes, Mr. Madlela, please tell us about your excitement about using this One Money. Tell us about your expectations on this 100% back promotion that is going to happen after the 30th of September. Okay, Babu Madlela, libona ngathi liza thola i-100% back yenu njengoba lingomunye wabazali ababhadale ischool fees somntana bo besebenzisa i-One Money.
Absolutely. Phela thina singabantu benhlanhla zabo ukuthi vele lapho kuwinwa khona mina ngizawina. Ujeff athi uthekimi baba mina semfuna ukubuyela esikolo njengoba ngingafunda ngathi no problem mfana wami. Hamba esikolo ngaze ngithathe kuyifoni kwami. Kona lokho. Thathi ifoni yami ngathi start #1# ngase ngilandela awubhadali yani isikolo fees zomfana wami ngafaka namampila kodwa esikolo ngase ngibhadala into zami.
Okay, so what do you have to tell to the parents out there that have not registered with One Money? What can you tell to them about the advantages of using One Money to pay the school fees since the schools are opening?
Advantages?
Okay, Babu Madlela, lingatshelani abazali mhlawumbe abangaka-register nge-One Money ukuthi ba-register nge-One Money?
Basalile emuva. Abantu bakuthiwa kunento ezinje so kumele kugijinywe kwabantu bakwazi ukungena entweni zabo. Mina so nginje ngiyakwazi ukuthi mhlaka 30 makuthiwa kuyavala uzezele ibizo libemenyezwa kwamba vele manje Madlela back 100% yakho sengile ngisiya emadlodla bale siyajayisa ngandamngora.
Okay, viewers, that was Mr. Madlela, one of the parents who has used One Money to pay his...
Yeah, kukhona kodwa nje okuseliyo kodwa nje mntanami kancane. Angithi uyabona sinothile ukuthi ukuphapela izinto. Wena wapapa wahamba noJamamo. Mina wathi mina mavela meluza. Kangela namhlanje Monty TV. Monty TV. Phela umuntu kumele umtshele ke. Siyabonga.
Yes, viewers, that is the testimonies and the excitements that comes with One Money. Please register with One Money to get so much more.